Welcome to Advisor Go. In today's training, we're going to be going over reports and the what if plan feature. Whenever you're in reports, you are able to include all of the report sets from your what if plans. In order to do this, all you'll need to do is select which plan. So I'll go ahead and do the base plan just to start out with. Then you can select whichever reports that you want. Those reports will then reflect up here under Review, Configure, and Generate. Next, you can select whatever other what if plan you would like. Go ahead and select it and click which report sets you'd like to have included in this report. As you'll see, they are now added into the Review, Configure, and Generate area. And just for another example, we're going to go ahead and add this other what if plan in here just to show you the different items you can actually have. You are also able to move each item as necessary. So if you want to put all of the financial summaries under one area, that's fine. You can do the same thing with all of the other reports you would like as well. Once you're pleased with how the report is in order, you can go ahead and generate the report. Now that your report has been generated, you can look over it and review just to make sure that it is how you would like it to look. As you can see, we have the financial summary. Those are going to be first. And if you want to make sure of which plan this is reflecting, it is just going to be in the bottom right hand corner so you know which what if plan it is referring to. So that is how you include any what if plans to a report set. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to support.